Ooh, that's
Ooh.
cool.
That's a cool effect.
That's really well done.
That is well done. I will say that. Here, wait, I'm just gonna pause real quick. No one, when they're in a situation where they're scared and they're frantically turning on a camera, goes. No one. If arms start coming out of the ceiling in my house, I'm not sticking around to count how many. When it comes to a giant hand coming out of the ceiling, there's only one option, and that's run. That's get out of the room. Don't high five it. Don't wait for it to fist bump you.
High five it.